How do you ask?
Picking.
You want what?
Flying dinosaur.
Flying dinosaur.
My necklace.
Is there a long neck? Where's the long neck?
My rocks.
More rocks?
Rocks.
More rocks.
Ow. Rocks. More canoe. More canoe.
You want the volcano? How do you ask for the volcano?
Canoe.
No, I want the...
The flying dinosaur.
You want the flying dinosaur?
Yes.
Okay.
Flying dinosaur.
The flying dinosaur. What color is the flying dinosaur?
Purple.
He's purple. All right. Okay, let me get him off. Hold on. I'm going to set this. There we go. Okay. Here you go. And what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What about you, Sissy? What would you want?
Flying dinosaur.
The flying dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay, what next?
Glass.
You want the rock?
Dinosaur.
Which dinosaur is that? That one?
Swim. Dinosaur.
That dinosaur?
Swim. Dinosaur.
Uh-huh.
Swim. Dinosaur.
This one's a dinosaur? What color dinosaur do you want?
Swim. Dinosaur.
What color is that?
Green.
You want the green dinosaur?
Yes.
And how do you ask?
The
No, I want the...
sticker.
I want the sticker off. Good job, buddy. I want the sticker off. Good words. Okay. Here you go. What'd you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why the dinosaur?
Where are you putting him? Where is he going?
The dinosaur.
In the water, you're right. Is he swimming?
It's really
He's swimming in the water.
a dinosaur.
Oh, he's cute. What do you want now?
Canoe.
You want the volcano?
Yes.
How do you ask?
Canoe.
I want the...
Canoe.
Okay.
Oh
Oh
no.
no, what?
A canoe then.
Where are you going to put the volcano?
No, a canoe.
What color is the volcano?
Purple.
Purple. Good job. There you go. Where's it going to go?
Pink canoe.
Where are you going to put it?
Pink canoe.
You're going to put it there?
Oh no, canoe.
What? Is it going to explode? Oh no, watch out.
Watch out.
What do you want now?
Yes.
Hmm? What do you want now? Are you all done?
No.
Okay. What do you want?
More cloud.
You want more clouds?
Yes.
Okay. How do you ask?
I want cloud.
You want more clouds?
More cloud.
Okay. Let me see. Here's 1, 2, and okay. How many are there? How many clouds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Count them. Ready? 1,
2,
3 clouds. Good job. Okay, what do you want now?
More cloud.
More clouds.
More cloud.
And how do you ask?
I want two.
No, I want more.
Cloud.
More.
Cloud.
Okay. Good job. Here you go. Oh no, Mommy, you hold the camera. Okay, all done, camera.